People of Palestine who have faced immense challenges and struggles for far too long. We urge the international community to make efforts towards a lasting peace, justice and equality for the people of Palestine. Together we can make a brighter future for Palestine and its people.
We are only children. We cannot fight wars, but we can raise our voices. We may not be with you physically, my dear people of Palestine, but our hearts ache for you, and our voices will keep calling for your freedom.
Even medicines and food are held back and lost in Gaza, leaving people to suffer. The people in Gaza are alone, afraid and unarmed, and are left to pay the price of the injustice.
Children of Gaza are not asking for much, only their right to live. दुनिया का हर बच्चा ख्वाब देखने का हक रखता है, लेकिन फलस्तीन के बच्चों का ख्वाब टूट जाते हैं, क्योंकि इनके स्कूल उजड़ जाते हैं, इनके घर मलबे में बदल जाते हैं और इनकी मुस्कुराहटें आंसुओं में डूब जाती हैं. And the one day the sun will shine and my hands will touch the sand of free land called Palestine.
Gaza is starving. Gaza is dying. Gaza is losing everything it has. We demand peace and prosperity for the people of Palestine.
Look at them. They are dying. Let's raise our voices for the children of Palestine. I'll not let them die. Will you?